In today's video, I'm going to share with you all how I transform my stubby looking nails from this to looking like this. So if you want to see more on how I actually created this custom manicure design hand look, just keep watching. Okay, glam dolls, I will be utilizing these 2 packs of nails right here to create my very own custom salon quality manicured hand look. Now the reason why I decided to select these 2 nails to combine together is because their colors complement each other very well, and they each have the same design and shape of nail. They each have the same length of nail, and I honestly felt like with the gel type finish, these will work fabulously together. A few more things that I'll be utilizing to apply these nails. Next up will be some regular old cotton balls, nothing too special or particular, just plain cotton balls. I'll be using my Onyx Professional 100% pure acetone nail polish remover, a cuticle nail pusher. Although one do come with the nail kit, I like using this one as my preference. A regular old filing emery board. One do come with the artificial nail kit, but again, this is just my preference of using this one. And to actually apply the artificial nails, I decided to utilize my adhesive glue tabs. Now I'm going to be using glue tabs in this video simply because I am an avid artificial nail wearer, and I do not want to commit to using nail glue to glue these nails down. So when I use the adhesive artificial glue tabs, these nails will last me for about give or take 2 to 3 days. I swap my nails out on a daily or semi-daily basis to either match my outfit, my wig, my mood, or whatever look I could be going for that day. Sometimes I even switch my nails twice in one day, so the adhesive glue tabs is what's going to work well for me. So let's get started. I'm starting out by using the emery board to gently buff my nail bed. Buffing my nail bed is going to help me to create a rigid surface. Therefore, when I apply the adhesive glue tabs, the artificial nails can adhere onto the glue tabs and my nail bed that much better. Once I complete this process, I'm then going to go ahead and use my cuticle pusher and gently push my cuticles back. Pushing my cuticle back will help to ensure that when I apply the artificial nails, it can lay flush into my natural nail bed, giving me that salon quality finished look that I'm going for. Now once I finish pushing the cuticles back, I'm then going to move into using the 100% pure acetone nail polish remover with a clean cotton ball, and I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it all over the entire nail bed as well as my fingertips. Using the 100% pure acetone nail polish remover will help to remove any type of debris or oils that is in my skin, and then I'm going to gently buff the nail bed just one last time. Here's the nails. So excited. So those are the designs that I decided to go with, and here is how I apply the adhesive glue tabs. Using the adhesive glue tabs has been a lifesaver for me. I no longer choose to commit to using artificial nail glue into gluing my nails on for long periods of time, unless I really like the set in which I'm using. But I'm such an avid artificial nail wearer that I swap them out daily or semi-daily, so I can no longer commit to using the nail glue. When I use the artificial adhesive glue tabs, as you can see, I gently peel it off, apply it onto my nail bed. It's double-sided sticky, so after I apply it onto the nail bed, I'm then going to go ahead and pick up some tweezers, and I'm going to show you how I remove the thin layer to help put the nails on the nail bed. So here's some tweezers, and as you can see right here, voila, just like that, the adhesive glue tabs are now ready for application. Apply the nail, put a little pressure, maybe count to 3, and the nail is on. Now this will last me for a solid at least 2 to 3 days. That's with me doing dishes, running errands, braiding hair, whatever I typically normally do. It doesn't cause any damage to the actual artificial nails that I'm wearing. So I'm going to go ahead and again repeat that process. Remove the glue tab film, apply the artificial nail, put a little pressure, remove the glue tab, apply the artificial nail, put a little pressure until I have all 10 of my fingers done. As I've said to y'all throughout several videos of how I apply my artificial nails, using the adhesive glue tabs is that much better for me. There's no damage to my natural nail bed, and the actual artificial nails, I get to reuse them because they last that much longer, helping me to save even more money by doing my nails myself and being able to continuously repeat using the artificial nails that I just applied. As you can see, I'm taking my time, and in less than 5 minutes, you too can have a fabulous designer quality manicured hand look. So what do you dolls think? Not bad to say in less than 5 minutes I created a salon quality, totally customized manicured hand look without that salon quality cost. I must admit, these nails by far have super exceeded my expectations, and you can easily use just one set by itself. As you can see, you can use one set by itself, or you can do like me and combine the two and have your very own customized salon hand look. So on that note, dolls, this now pretty much concludes the video. I'll be sure to link these two down in the description box below. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another one again shortly. Later, dolls.